Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be introducing you to the top 10 amazing beaks of birds. Number 10. Long-billed curlew. The long-billed curlew has a distinctive beak that measures over 8 inches in length and is curved downward. It is uniquely adapted for probing deep into the mud and sand to find its prey, which consists mainly of invertebrates such as worms and shrimp. This specialized beak also allows the long-billed curlew to easily gather water and filter out its desired food. Its long, slender shape makes it ideal for capturing prey in its natural wetland habitats. Number 9. Atlantic puffin. The Atlantic puffin has a unique and distinctive beak that is specially designed for catching and holding fish. Their beaks, which are brightly colored during breeding season, are short and sturdy with a sharp and pointed tip, perfect for stabbing and grasping slippery prey. They also have ridges along the edges of their beaks, which help them to hold onto multiple fish at once and prevent them from slipping out. These adaptations make the Atlantic puffin a skilled hunter and an important member of its coastal ecosystem. Number 8. Black skimmers. The black skimmer's beak is long and slender, measuring around 6 to 9 inches in length. The upper beak is black, while the lower beak is bright orange. This unique feature allows it to skim the surface of the water while flying, catching fish with its sharp lower beak. The rest of the skimmer's appearance is a combination of black and white, with a black head, back, and tail. Number 7. American white pelican. The American white pelican is a large, graceful bird with a distinctively large, flat, and broad beak. The beak can reach up to 18 inches in length and is bright orange-yellow in color. It has a curved upper mandible and a straight lower mandible, giving it a unique, slightly curved shape. The beak is used to scoop up and filter water for fish and other small prey. Number 6. Roseate spoonbill. The roseate spoonbill is a large wading bird with a distinctive long spoon-shaped bill. It can reach up to 31 to 34 inches in length, with a wingspan of 49 to 53 inches. The bill is typically 7 to 9 inches long and is pink in color, transitioning to black at the tips. Number 5. Shoebill. The shoebill beak is a massive, flat-topped, wide-open beak that resembles a large shoe, giving the bird its name. It can reach up to 9 inches in length and can have a wingspan of up to 8 feet. Its upper mandible has sharp edges and a hooked tip, while the lower mandible is shorter and rounded. The beak is dark gray or black in color and has a leathery texture. Number 4. Flamingo. The flamingo beaks are long, slender, and uniquely curved, with a noticeable hook at the end. They range in size from 11 to 18 inches long, depending on the species. The beaks are a vibrant shade of pink or orange with a black tip and have a rough texture due to the presence of serrated edges, which help the flamingos filter food from the water. The color of the beak intensifies during breeding season, making it a prominent feature. Number 3. Keel-billed toucan. The keel-billed toucan is a medium-sized bird with a unique and eye-catching appearance. Its most distinct feature is its large, brightly colored beak, which can reach up to 7 inches in length. The beak has a vibrant mix of green, red, yellow, and orange hues and a sharp hook at the end. The rest of the bird's body is mostly black with a white throat and chest. Number 2. Great hornbill. The great hornbill is a large bird found in the forests of Asia, known for its distinct and impressive beak. The beak can measure up to 9 inches in length and is characterized by a bright yellow color and a large curved structure on top, resembling a horn. The lower portion of the beak is black with a sharp tip for grasping. Number 1. Rhinoceros hornbill. The rhinoceros hornbill beaks are known for their large size and distinctive appearance. They are approximately 10 to 13 inches long and are curved in shape, resembling a rhinoceros horn. The top of the beak is marked with intricate patterns in black and white, while the bottom is a bright orange color. Their beaks are strong and sturdy, allowing them to easily crack open nuts and fruits. These unique beaks make the rhinoceros hornbill easily recognizable and a fascinating bird to observe. Thanks for watching.